This guide walks you through installing Immich on a LincPlus-Tech NAS using Unraid. What is Immich? Immich is a self-hosted photo and video backup platform that lets you store and manage your media on your own NAS. Think of it as a private alternative to Google Photos, but with full control over your data. With Immich, you can automatically back up photos from your phone, browse and organize your photo library, use AI features like search and face recognition, access your photos anytime from your own server. According to the official Immich documentation, there are two main ways to install Immich on Unraid. Using the Docker Compose Manager plugin, using a community template from the Apps, Community Applications tab. In this guide, we'll use the simplest method, installing Immich directly from the Apps tab. What you'll need before you start: make sure the Unraid array is started. Docker is enabled in Unraid. Step 1. Install Redis. Redis is used by Immich for caching and background tasks. Search for Redis, select the official container, then keep everything at the default settings. Step 2. Install PostgreSQL 14. Immich needs a PostgreSQL database to store all your data, like user accounts, photo metadata, and app settings. Version 14 is recommended for compatibility. Go to the Apps tab, search for PostgreSQL 14, and choose an official container. Configuration: repository, vector, pg14, postgres_password 123456, postgres_user, Immich, postgres_db, Immich. Leave everything else as default, then click Apply. Step 3. Install Immich server. Alright, now let's install the Immich server. Go to the Apps tab, search for Immich, official, and choose the default. Now let's configure it. For the Photos path, set it to your storage folder. db_hostname, paste the IP address of your PostgreSQL 14 container. db_username, set it to Immich. db_password, use 123456. Just make sure it matches your PostgreSQL password. db_database_name, set it to Immich. Now for Redis. Redis_hostname, paste the IP address of your Redis container. Leave everything else as default. Then click Apply. Immich will now automatically connect to PostgreSQL database and Redis service, and the server will start running. Step 4. Log in and set up Immich. If this is your first time using Immich, you'll need to create an admin account. Now use the email and password you just created. After logging in, you'll see the Immich dashboard, where you can view and manage all your photos and videos in one place. It has a clean timeline layout, making it easy to browse and search your media. From the admin panel, you can manage users, storage settings, and system configuration. Overall, it's a simple but powerful self-hosted photo cloud.